Imagine this. You're 30 years old, sitting on a beach, sipping a cold drink, and checking your investment portfolio. But here's the kicker. It's worth over $1 million. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you this could be your reality by 2025? And no, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune from a long-lost uncle. I'm talking about smart, strategic investing, the kind that turns ordinary people into millionaires before they hit 30. But here's the thing, the clock is ticking. Every day you wait is a day you're leaving money on the table. If you're between 18 and 30 and dreaming of financial freedom, you need to pay attention. Because today I'm revealing the exact blueprint to build a $1 million portfolio by 30. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started. But fair warning, once you see what's possible, you might start investing sooner than you think. Let's dive in. 1. Start early, the power of compound interest. Let's start with the foundation, the power of compound interest. If you're in your early 20s, you have one thing on your side that no amount of money can buy: time. Think about it. If you invest just $500 a month starting at 22, with an average return of $101 million by the time you're 30, that's the magic of compounding. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have $500 a month. Don't worry, we'll talk about how to free up cash in a minute. But first, let's talk about where to put that money to make it grow. 2. Invest in high-growth assets. Next up, high-growth assets. If you want to hit $1 million by 30, you can't just park your money in a savings account. You need to invest in assets that have the potential to double or triple your money. Think stocks, ETFs, and even real estate. These are the vehicles that can take your portfolio from zero to hero in just a few years. Of course, not every investment will be a home run, but the ones that hit, they could make you a millionaire. Now, you might be wondering, how do I pick the right investments? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk strategy. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Building a $1 million portfolio isn't just about picking a few hot stocks. It's about diversification, spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. Think of it like planting a garden. You need a mix of seeds, some that grow quickly and others that take time but yield massive results. Still not sure where to start? What if I told you there are ETFs and mutual funds that let you invest in hundreds of companies with just one click? Transition. But before you start investing, there's one critical factor you need to consider: risk. 4. Manage risk. Like a pro narrator, let's be real. No investment is without risk. But the key to building wealth is managing that risk like a pro. Think about it. If you lose 50% of your portfolio, you need a 100% return just to break even. That's why smart investors protect their downside while chasing upside. Of course, you don't want to bet the farm on one stock. That's why diversification and dollar cost averaging are your best friends. Now you might be thinking, how do I stay ahead of the curve? Stick around because I've got something special for you at the end of this video. 5. Stay consistent and patient narrator. Finally, the secret sauce: consistency and patience. Building a $1 million portfolio doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, discipline, and a long-term mindset. Here's the kicker. The earlier you start, the easier it is. But even if you're starting late, it's not too late to make smart moves and get back on track. Still not convinced? What if I told you that some of the world's wealthiest investors started with just a few $100s? Now you might be wondering, how do I make this dream a reality? Stick around because I've got something special for you at the end of this video. So there you have it, the exact blueprint to build a $1 million portfolio by 30. Whether it's starting early, investing in high-growth assets, or managing risk like a pro, the future is yours to create. But remember, opportunities like this don't last forever. The clock is ticking, and the time to act is now. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start investing today. And if you're curious about another life-changing opportunity, check out my video on the rise of green energy stocks, how to invest in 2025. The future is here, and it's time to claim your piece of it. Click the link on the screen now to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, Your dream life is just one decision away. See you in the next video.